Before we dive into building a workflow, it's a good idea to get familiar with the UI and its most important features. To find the tool, go to Workflows from the main navigation. On the Workflows page, you'll see your recent workflows listed. Under the Templates section, you'll find many useful pre-built workflows to give you inspiration, like image generation starter scenarios, video production workflows, virtual try-on, and interior design visualization. But let's create a new workflow from scratch. Click Create Workflow to get started. In your new workflow, you'll see a canvas and a toolbar at the top. Nodes are the building blocks of workflows. To add a node, click the Add Node button in the toolbar. Let's go over the different types of nodes available. The Text Input node is your starting point for defining parameters that flow through your workflow. The Note node lets you add documentation and instructions to keep your workflow organized. The Upload Media node lets you bring in images, videos, or audio straight from your computer. The Select Media node allows you to browse and select from your previously generated images and videos. Let's see image nodes. The Text-to-Image node turns prompts into visuals in seconds. Pick a model from the selector. We support Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, FLUX, Midjourney, and more. Set your aspect ratio and choose how many variations you'd like to create. The Image-to-Image node lets you modify images with AI, perfect for in-painting, out-painting, or style changes. The Upscale Image node enhances your image resolution for crisp, high-quality outputs. The Image Splitter node divides images into multiple sections. Now let's review video nodes. The Text-to-Video node generates videos from text prompts using models like Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Kling 2.6, and more. You can adjust duration, aspect ratio, and resolution. The Image-to-Video node brings your static images to life with animation. The first and last frame video node creates smooth transitions between your start and end images. The Video Merge node combines multiple video clips into one seamless video. Let's look into text and audio nodes. The Text Generation node is powered by large language models including GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.5, and Gemini 3 Pro. It understands what you mean, builds on your ideas, and helps you move faster. The Text Preset node lets you create reusable text templates with variable inputs. The Text-to-Speech node converts your generated text into audio. Now that we've covered the types of nodes, let's build a simple workflow. From the toolbar, click the Add Node button. Select Upload Media node and add an image you'd like to use. Any image will do. Once uploaded, the image node appears on your canvas. When you hover over this node, you can see the image preview. Above is a set of options for configuring the node, duplicating it, or deleting it. But for now, let's use this image as a reference for image editing. Click the Add Node button again and select Image to Image node. Now we need to connect these two nodes. Look for the output handle on the right side of the Upload Media node. It's a small circle with a purple color indicating image data. Click and drag from this handle to the Image Input handle on the left side of the Image to Image node. You'll see a connector line appearing as you drag. Now you have an image-to-image node with your uploaded image sent to it as a reference. For generator nodes, you'll have inputs on the left and outputs on the right. Notice the color coding. Purple handles are for images, blue handles are for text. You'll notice the image-to-image node also has a prompt input. There are two ways to provide a prompt for generator nodes. The first way is to add it directly to the generator node. Click the node and start writing your prompt in the text field. The second way is to provide text as an input from another node. To do it this way, you'll need a text generation node or text input node. Let's try this approach. Click Add Node and select Text Input node. Now drag from the output handle of the text input node. It's blue, indicating text, and connect it to the prompt input handle on the image-to-image node. Notice how the connector from the text node is blue, and the one from the image is purple. These colors make it easy to see how information flows through your workflow as it grows. In the text input node, you can type a prompt directly. For example, type, "A futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying vehicles." Now that you have both the text prompt and the reference image connected, it's time to generate. You can hit Run on the image-to-image node. This triggers the workflow to run from the upstream nodes to this node. Every connected node will process in sequence until your workflow is complete. Let's extend our workflow. Click the Add Node button and select Image to Video node. Now connect the image output handle from your image to image node to the image input handle on the image to video node. Your generated image is now connected as the starting frame. Before we can generate the video, we'll need a prompt. Click inside the prompt field and type a short description of what motion you want. For example, camera slowly pans across the cityscape as vehicles fly by, golden sunset light reflecting off buildings. Select your video model. Veo 3.1 or Kling 2.6 are excellent choices. Adjust the duration and aspect ratio as needed. Now we're ready to generate. Click Run on the video node. Image generation takes a few seconds, but videos can take minutes, so you'll need to be patient. Let's explore the power of the text generation node. Say you want to convert your image prompt into a video prompt instead. Click Add Node and select Text Generation Node to add a new one. In this node, type something like, "Convert this image description into a cinematic video prompt with camera movements and atmospheric details." Then connect the output of your first text input node to the input of this new one. This way, whatever you wrote earlier will be used as context. Click Run and let it finish. In the output, you'll now see a detailed prompt perfect for video generation. Now duplicate the image to video node and connect it with your generated image and the new text generation node. This time, let's change the video model to Kling 2.6 Pro. Clicking Run on this video node will trigger only the upstream nodes connected to it. The original image-to-image node isn't upstream from this path, so it won't run again. This illustrates how the structure of your workflow impacts what will generate. When your workflow grows, you need to stay organized. Here are some tips. Use note nodes. You can freely use note nodes for documentation. They don't have to be connected to other nodes. Add instructions, explain your workflow logic, or leave notes for collaborators. Zoom and pan. Use the zoom controls in the bottom corner or scroll to zoom. Click and drag on the canvas to pan around. Zoom out to get a good overview of your entire workflow. Naming. Give your workflow a clear name by clicking the title at the top of the page. You can also change the names of individual nodes. When you're ready to collaborate, click the Collaborators button in the toolbar. From here, you can invite teammates by entering their email. You can give them viewer or editor access. Let's invite a colleague as an editor. Once they accept, they'll appear in the workflow with a colorful cursor so you can see what they're working on in real time. Any changes either of you make are instantly synced. No need to save and share files back and forth. Now let's head back to the home page. In the overview, you'll see the workflow we just created. If you want more inspiration, explore the Templates section. We have templates for Generate Images starter scenarios. 3 different paths from simple to advanced. Generate videos, starter scenarios. Text to video, image to video, and more. Virtual try-on. Generate models and dress them with clothing items. Interior design visualization. Transform floor plans into photorealistic renders. Fashion product video. Create multi-scene commercial videos. And more. Click any template to preview it, then use it as a starting point for your own creations. You've now learned the fundamentals. From connecting nodes to building complete workflows, collaborating with your team, and exploring templates. Now it's your turn to explore. Try building your own workflows. Experiment with different AI models and see what you can create. The more you build, the more powerful workflows becomes. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next generation of creative workflows with Easy-Peasy AI.